I'm gonna make a card by myself. For this card, you need the cardstock. But this time, you need some stones and you need a marker. I'm using blue, and you need some nail paint at last. Now this is gonna be a different message. It's gonna say, "Dad, you rock," just like this rocks. Let's turn it up. Now we're gonna paint the rocks with the nail polish. Okay, now we painted the rocks. Ta-da! Now we're gonna stick all the rocks on the card. Make sure you only stick them on the edges. This is how it looks. And let's see on the inside. We sticked it with the help of glue stick, and I hope my dad will like it. That's really cool.